How are you feeling?
How are you feeling?
How are you feeling?
How are you feeling?
I'm all right.
How are you feeling?
Good.
How are you feeling?
Couple of fractured ribs, but I'll live.
How are you feeling, John?
I'm alive.
How are you feeling?
Better.
How are you feeling?
Cool. Powerful.
How are you feeling?
Like I got off easy compared to the rest of you guys?
How you feeling?
Terrible. How are you feeling?
Actually, I feel fine.
How you feeling?
A little better.
How are you feeling?
Oh, I was dreaming.
How are you feeling? Are you all right?
Oh, yeah. I'm just, tired.
How are you feeling?
Better than I deserve.
How are you feeling, guys?
I'm grand, yeah. I'm on a roller coaster that only goes up, my friend.
How are you feeling?
Much better.
How you feeling?
Yeah, great. Really, really great. How are you feeling today, Colonel?
Super. Superior. Superfluous.
How you feeling today, sir?
A little tired. A quick turnaround for me. 10 turns in 3 days. Off tomorrow.
How are you feeling? Are you all right?
I need time.
Hey, Dad. How are you feeling? Oh, fine. I've just been a little under the weather.
How are you feeling?
How am I feeling? I can't even remember what it felt like before the pain.
First big date. How you feeling?
Like the first time Big Daddy sent me into a crack den with nothing but a penknife. I've got some butterflies.
How you feeling? What'd the doctor say?
He said that it was contagious. That it was really.
No.
Yeah. He said that I shouldn't even be coming in today.